Hey, what's up everyone? Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm really happy because my wife and we got an appliance, and we've been looking for a slow cooker, and my wife found one at a local thrift store, and it was brand new. It seemingly had not been open, and so that's what this video is about. And I'm just going to walk through the one that we got, and that's it. All right, stay tuned, watch to the end. You know what, I thought that this had been unopened. My wife did too, as I had mentioned in the intro to this video. But as I'm looking at the box now, I can see, and you probably can't see, maybe you can, but it looks like this has definitely been opened and someone taped it back up. So it is what it is. We'll see what the condition is. Hopefully all the pieces are here. Hopefully it's in good condition. And it'd be great if it looks like it had not been used. So, okay, so with that said, I'm going to go ahead and open the previously opened box. Okay, so I'm going to open the box here, but I just want to point out that this is the XL, the extra large version, but this is the XL. So it's the Hamilton Beach, and it says here, stay or go. All right, so it's oval shaped, it's black. In any event, let me go ahead and open this, and again, it looks, I don't know, but it really does look as though it had been opened. And I've got my trusty, my very handy tactical pen here, and these are great for doing unboxing videos. And I don't know, maybe this, no. Well, you know, it's very hard to tell. If it was open and taped back up, whoever put it together, in my opinion, it seems as though it looks as though it hasn't been used. And everything is very neatly positioned. So it's hard for me to tell whether this has been used. Just don't know. So let me go ahead and take this slow cooker out, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm taking out the box, and I don't see there. I mean, there are no fingerprints. There's no remnants of food or anything. I mean, it looks very, very, very clean, and it looks like it has been unused. And I just think that, I don't know, but I don't think that this has been used ever, which is great. Again, my wife bought it for $40. I think the sticker's on here. Yeah, $40 from the thrift store. And so I'm going to go ahead and put this together and look at the instructions and so forth. And I'm not going to cook anything, but I'll be right back. All right, so I've looked over the instructions, and so there are essentially three main pieces to this slow cooker. You've got the lid, of course, and then the second piece is this crock, and then the third piece is the base. And then, you know, on the lid here, you've got a rather solid handle, and it's got these two protruding pieces here. And those are what's used to latch or secure, to use these wire latches to secure the lid. And then, of course, you've got the handles on the side to allows one to lift this slow cooker. And then, of course, you've got the control knob on the front of the base. And of course, there's a power cord, but I wanted to point out that, you know, my first impression, I'm noticing that it seems rather short. I wish it was a bit longer, but it's okay. I am really, really looking forward to using this slow cooker, and I know my wife is looking forward to it. She's been talking about this for quite some time, getting one. And my wife has one dish that she really, really is looking forward to using this slow cooker to make. It's an Ethiopian dish It's called Durawat. I hope that I'm pronouncing that correctly. Durawat, Durawet, Durawet. And it's an Ethiopian chicken stew. It's made with conventional, regular cooking pot, but she nonetheless says that this would be a good thing to use to make Durawet. So maybe we'll do a video and we'll be able to share that. So that's it really for this. It's rather straightforward. This is not a review because of course I haven't used it and so forth. I don't have much familiarity with this. I just wanted to share it. It's a rather good looking appliance. It is big, of course. This is the XL version, and so it's going to take up, quite a bit of space on the countertop in the kitchen, but it is what it is. I am really, really looking forward to using this Hamilton Beach slow cooker. I like that it is an extra large cooker so that I can make a lot of soup, a lot of stew. I want to make vegetable stew, throw a whole lot of vegetables in there and see what it ends up tasting like. Hopefully I'll be able to make some delicious healthy vegetable stews, and I'm really looking forward to experimenting with recipes and also I think it's going to help in terms of meal preparation. So I'm excited about having this Hamilton Beach slow cooker. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. Go ahead, check back and take a look at some of my other videos. I'd appreciate that as well. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And with all that said, I'll see you next time. All right? Take care.